The Second Vatican Assembly for the Global Synod on Synodality kicked off on Wednesday, October the 2nd, bringing together clerics and laity alike for nearly 1 month of discussions. It began with a Mass in St. Peter's Square at 9:30 a.m. and the first working session that afternoon at 4 p.m., which began with a greeting from Pope Francis.
Spirito Santo descenda su di voi e con voi rimanga sempre.
The Synod on Synodality, initiated by Pope Francis in October of 2021, is a multi-year, worldwide undertaking during which Catholics were asked to submit feedback to their local dioceses on the question, what steps does the Spirit invite us to take in order to grow in our journeying together? The Catholic Church's massive synodal process has already undergone diocesan, national, and continental stages, as well as the first global assembly at the Vatican in October of 2023. The October 2024 session will be the second and final global assembly, culminating the discernment phase of the Synod.
Il Sinodo non è un Parlamento.
Pope Francis has said that he envisions the Synod on Synodality as a journey in accordance with the Spirit, not a parliament for demanding rights and claiming needs in accordance with the agenda of the world, nor an occasion for following wherever the wind is blowing, but the opportunity to be docile to the breath of the Holy Spirit. The main questions and themes for the 2024 Synod Assembly can be found in the 2024 Instrumentum Laboris, or working document, building on the results of the 2023 session. It outlines 3 overarching questions. Number 1, how can we be more fully a sign and instrument of union with God and of the unity of all humanity? Number 2, how can we better share gifts and tasks in service of the gospel? Number 3, what processes, structures, and institutions are needed in a missionary synodal church? The document focuses on how the synodal church is on mission and proposes concrete ways to implement a more synodal approach in church governance, theology, mission, and discernment of doctrine. There will be 4 public events during the Synod, 2 on October the 9th and 2 more on October the 16th. The sessions will be held at an institute run by the Augustinian Order and the headquarters of the Jesuits, both within a stone's throw of St. Peter's Square. The themes of the public sessions are the people of God, subject of mission, the role and the authority of the bishop in a synodal church, the mutual relationship between the local church and the universal church, and the exercise of primacy and the Synod of Bishops. The October 2024 Assembly will mark the end of the discernment phase. The next phase will focus on implementation.